everyone, it's time for Thursday's Drop and Craft, and today we're doing something outside because we're doing leaves, and I think it'd be fun to do it outside because there are leaves all around. What we need for this craft is we need a blank piece of paper like that. I'm going to put this up here so it doesn't blow away. A couple of crayons. I took my fall crayons colors, and something to lean on, and then you have, I picked all these leaves up from outside. So this is how we're going to do it. We're going to put a leaf here, and I'm going to put my picture, my paper on top of it. I'm going to take a crayon, and I'm just going to rub the crayon over the leaf. And I'm doing it on a cardboard, so you see the lines of the cardboard, which gives it a little more texture. And then I'm going to take another leaf, a different kind of one. Like this one. I'm going to put it a different way. And I'm going to do the same thing. And the darker that you press down, the more the veins of the leaves that you see. I'm going to do one over, let's do one here. I'll do a little red one. You can always find your leaf underneath your paper. This one was kind of funky that I found outside. Let's see what we can do with this one. This one you kind of just see the stem, but that's okay. Still like it. Now we'll put one here. And you can make some kind of a picture, like a pattern, or you could fill the whole thing up, or you could just do one, and then you could take a crayon and just kind of go around all of them. And you will have, when you are done, this very pretty leaf picture. So go outside, find some leaves, get some crayons, and start rubbing. We'll see you next week. Bye.